Hi, my name is Ibn Shakur. I'm founder of Penslingers. As a marketing agency, we always need concrete information and perfect marketing strategies to run successful campaigns. And it always gets challenging for us. But with UPDF AI feature, we are saving a lot of time and putting it on productivity. Today, I'll show you how we are using UPDF AI feature to create blog article or make perfect marketing strategies that actually work. It also optimizes languages, which is amazing. Let's hop onto the screen. So now we move over to UPDF AI, which can help you analyze any PDF. No matter how big or complicated, you can get a summary, learn more about the context of the PDF, or get an explanation about different topics. The first step requires you to choose the PDF you want to learn about. You can always upload the file by clicking Open File or choose from recent files. For this tutorial, we will choose a PDF about gardening guide. UPDF may take a few minutes to upload it on their server depending on the size of the PDF. Once it is done, you can go to the right bottom and click on the UPDF AI icon. Now we have two options, Ask PDF or Chat. We start here in Ask PDF as we want to gain more information from within the PDF. Okay, it's uploading and now it is processing. It's now summarizing. UPDF AI extracted all necessary information from PDF we uploaded. Here you can see everything is highlighted, giving you a broader perspective about the content in this PDF file. I'll now ask AI to summarize the topics or content about organic gardening. I'll write the prompt. Need a summary about organic gardening basics. The AI created an amazing summary and highlighted the key points. Now, if you want to see where this information is extracted from within the PDF, you can click on the number shown below the text and observe the highlighted portion where the information was extracted from. Well, I'm going to copy the information that is required to write an article. And now I will switch to UPDF AI chat feature. Here, I will ask AI chatbot to suggest me some titles related to organic gardening, and I will also share the summary that I extracted from the PDF using UPDF Ask PDF feature. Alright, here we have got several titles to pick that fits our need. So I choose From Soil to Harvest, the Organic Gardener's Guide. I will tell AI chatbot that I like this title and write prompt to fetch the best SEO keywords to include in the blog post. It came out with multiple SEO keywords, and now I will pick 3 to 4 keywords to add in the article. So far, we have a title and keywords. Now I'm going to write another prompt. Now I want you to create an outline using the below mentioned SEO keywords and title. The most important part is to include all possible information in every prompt to get the best results. Here I mentioned the title and all SEO keywords and sent to AI chatbot. In a few seconds, it prepared a detailed outline explaining every single point perfectly. Now I check the outline to see if there are any irrelevant stuff. Well, no. Let's move to the next step by telling AI chatbot, that's great. Please write a blog post using the above mentioned outline. Also, I have some important instructions that should be followed. Number 1, the content should not exceed 500 words. Number 2, use SEO keywords naturally. Number 3, keep informative writing tone. Number 4, make sure the content is grammatically correct. I would prefer US English. I will also attach the outline we created above using the UPDF AI chatbot and press enter. Wait for a few seconds. Here we go. You can see it amazingly crafted an article in just a few minutes. Now I will proofread the article and make a few changes if required, and it will be ready to publish. UPDF also offers some amazing features like you can summarize, translate, or explain any specific parts within the PDF. Just select the required part and click Explain in the pop-up bar. Here, it expands the drop-down menu where all three features are listed. Let's click on the Translate and choose the preferred language. Here we go. The paragraph has been translated into French. Now we will summarize this paragraph. Click on Summarize and press Generate button. The paragraph is now summarized by AI. If you want to learn more about any specific topic or parts within the PDF, simply select that specific part and choose Explain option and then click Generate. The UPDF Ask PDF AI will explain it for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.